What's up guys, Alex here, GuitarForce.com. So we continue with the series Great Licks Played by Different Guitar Players. Today we're going to take a look at Angus Young lick, which is taken from the song called Let Me Put My Love Into You. This is from around middle of the solo. There is a lick that he played. I think it's great, so we're going to break it down in this lesson. And the tuning for this song is going to be standard, so without further ado, let's go for the close-up and start the lesson. Alright, so this is a repetitive lick because we're playing the same notes, the same pattern all over again. Now, the cool thing about this lick is that it has a rhythmical displacement, and what that means is that we play an odd number of notes. So the lick consists of 3 notes, but we're playing to the 4/4, to the even number of beats. So this creates the rhythmical displacement, and that's why, in my opinion, this lick is cool. So the lick is very simple. So we have a quick bend on the 14th fret. By the way, we're playing in E minor pentatonic in the first position. So what we do is we bend the G string 14th fret quickly, which is followed by 2 notes on the 15th fret on the B string. So we have, that's the pattern. Now, like I said, because we play 3 notes to the even amount of beats, it creates a rhythmical displacement. And also it's played fast, so that creates sort of an effect to the whole lick. So all in all, we play 8 times. The first bend that we do is actually before the strong beat. So the first note on the 15th string, on the 15th fret on the B string, is actually follows on the strong beat of the bar, on the 1. So sort of the G string bend here is sort of like a pre-bend before that. So that's the whole thing. We play this lick for 8 times, and like I said, it's a fast lick, so it takes a little bit of time to get used to that. And regarding picking for the right hand, or for the picking hand, it's totally up to you how you do it. I tend to play with an alternate picking, so that means I play with the down pick in the first note, and then I play up and down on the B string. And then from that moment on, I just continue playing with alternate picking. So that means now I'm hitting the G string with an upstroke, and then going for the B string with a down up. So every time when I switch between the strings, the picking pattern changes. Another variation how you can do this is you can hit with a down pick motion, and then going for the B string and playing that also with a down up. So you get like a little sweep picking here. To me, it's more comfortable to play with an alternate picking, so I don't have to think about that. So we play this pattern for 8 times. And then in the end, we play the bend on the G string. So we bend it up, bring it down, pull off to 12, then hammer onto the 14 again, and then the next note is going to be on the 14th fret on the D string. Adding some vibrato, and then there is a continuation of the lick. You can use that as well if you want to sort of use it as an ending of the phrase. So then it goes. So here what we do is, again, we bend the G string, 14th fret. As you bend it up, pick the B string on the 15th fret. Pick the G string again, bring it down. Then we play 12, 14, 12 on the G string. Go into D14, playing it 2 times, this note. Back to the G12 with a slight bend, creating that kind of blues blues-oriented lick. Then we have 14-12 on D, and then the last phrase that we have. So bending up again, 14 on the G. As you bend up, pick the 15th fret on the B, and then again bend and bring down, pick the note on the 14th fret of the G string. Okay, so I'm going to play the lick slowly, all of the parts together. It goes like this. Alright, so again, this lick is transposable, so in other words, you can use it whenever you play using the minor pentatonic scale somewhere else. So when you change the key, for example, if you go to the A minor, just simply find that first pattern of the pentatonic scale, and you can do the same. So it's transposable, like I said before, into any key as long as you find the first position of the minor pentatonic scale. Alright guys, so that's it for this lesson. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, leave your suggestions regarding any licks you want me to transcribe in the comment section below. Thank you very much for checking out this video. Like, share, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Check out GuitarForce.com for more guitar lessons. In the meantime, I'll see you again. Take it easy, and as always, let the force be with you.